boys and girls. I'm going to show you how we can solve this problem together. So reading the problem, it says, Mrs. Desmera ordered 5 pizzas for her end of the year party. Each pizza is divided into 8 slices. The students in her class eat 28 slices of pizza. So the first thing I need to ask myself is, what is the important information in there that's going to help me answer this part A question, which says how many slices of pizza are left? So going back to the problem, I need to know that she ordered 5 pizzas and that the pizza is divided into 8 slices per pizza. And then I also think it's important that her students eat 28 slices. So how are we going to solve that first part of the problem? Well, I asked myself, how many pieces did Miss Desmera start with? Remember, she had 5 pizzas, and each pizza had 8 slices. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my 5 pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember, each one had 8, so I'm going to put 8 tallies in each one because we know each pizza had 8 slices. All right, so just to double check, 5 pizzas, 8 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to skip count underneath it. So my first pizza has 8 slices. Now if we get another pizza and I skip count by 8s, so it would be 8 plus 8 is 16. Now we're going to add another pizza. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus another 8 is going to give me 24. All right, now we have to add another pizza. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus another 8 is 24, plus another 8 is 32. Now for our last pizza. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. And 32 plus 8 is 40. And I'm going to circle that to remind me. I still haven't answered the question yet, though. It says, how many slices of pizza are left? So Mrs. Desmera started with 40 slices of pizza. And remember, they ate 28. So now I'm going to subtract 40 minus 28. I'm always going to start in that ones place value. So looking at the ones, on top I have 0 ones. So 0 minus 8, I can't do that. So I'm going to have to regroup. Remember, I'm going to go to my 10s and I'm going to borrow a 10. So if I had 4 10s and I borrow one or take away one, I'm going to be left with 3. So my 4 in the 10s place now becomes a 3. And remember, I'm going to bring those 10s over here. So now I have 10 ones from the 10 that I borrowed. So it's like saying 10 plus 0. So now my 0 is going to become a 10. So now let's see if I can subtract in that ones place. So 10 minus 8 is 2. And 3 10s minus 2 10s is 1 10. So I have 12 slices left for Miss Desmera. Okay, now we got a part B. Says Miss Fiore ordered the same amount of pizza for her class, but her students ate 33 slices of pizza. How many slices does Miss Fiore have left? So remember, Miss Fiore ordered the same amount of pizza. Okay, so remember in Mrs. Desmera's, we realized that she had 40 pieces, right? But listen here. Mrs. Fiore's kids must have been more hungry. They ate 33 slices. So I'm going to have to subtract 33 this time. Okay? So I've got 40 minus 33 this time. So looking at my ones place value, I notice that my digit in the ones place is smaller than the digit on the bottom. if I have 0, I can't really take 3 away. So once again, we're going to have to go next door to that regrouping. So I'm going to go to my tens and I'm going to borrow a 10. If I had 4 tens and I take 1 10 away, I'm going to have 3 tens left. So my 4 is going to become a 3. I'm going to regroup those tens into the 1 place. So I'm going to bring them to the ones, and it's like adding the 10 ones I just got plus the 0 that I had here. So 10 plus 0 is 10. So now my digit in the ones on the top is bigger, so I can go ahead and subtract. 10 minus 3 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. I don't have to put a 0 there. I can just leave it like that. So Miss Fiore has 7 slices. I hope this video helped you, because now on the next slide, it's going to be your turn to try and solve it on yourself. It's going to look the same, different names and different numbers, but I know you can do it. Boys and girls, all your hard work is paying off. It brings such a big smile and a warmness to my heart to see all the hard work that you guys are doing. I look forward to it every day. I miss you guys. I'm so impressed by your math work. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Bye.